Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
आदलो राज्यपाल सत्यपाल मलिकान प्रमोद सावंत सरकाराचेर भ्रष्टाचाराचो आरोप केल्लो.
There was corruption in Goa government in handling of everything.
आनी आपणे तशें प्रधानमंत्र्याक बरयल्ले म्हूण दावोय केल्लो. एक्टिविस्ट आयरिशान हे पत्र RTIंतल्यान मागिल्ले. ताचेर राजभवनांतल्यान अशे तरेच्या पत्राचो ऑफिशियल रेकॉर्ड ना म्हूण जाप.
I sought that information from the Raj Bhavan. The Raj Bhavan has sent me a reply that they have searched for the documents, but that documents cannot be found on the file and records of the Raj Bhavan. They also say that there is a system in place where the governor to his higher authorities, all that correspondence he writes directly, and that is not given to the governor's secretary.
आयरिशाक दिसता लेटराचो रेकॉर्ड आसतलोच. लेटर मेळोवपा खातीर आयरिश फुडली तयारी करता.
They have somehow tried to make sure that this information is not released under the Right to Information Act. I've received the reply. Now, my remedy is to file an appeal before the first appellate authority at Raj Bhavan, who is the secretary to the governor. After that, my remedy would be to go to the State Information Commission and then later to the High Court.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.